Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox website not loading. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A quick check of your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection can save you a lot of trouble. Next, try completely restarting your web browser. Close all browser windows, wait for about 30 seconds, and then reopen it. If that doesn't work, try loading Roblox in an alternative browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, to see if the issue is browser-specific. Often, a cluttered browser cache or conflicting extensions can prevent Roblox from loading. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. You can usually find this option in your browser settings or history menu. Also, temporarily disable any browser extensions, as they can sometimes block website content. Finally, make sure your browser is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security. If browser-specific fixes don't work, let's look at your system and network. A simple restart of your computer or device can resolve many underlying issues. After restarting, try flushing your DNS cache. This refreshes your network's connection to websites and can fix loading problems. You can do this through your command prompt. Lastly, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software for a few minutes to see if they are blocking Roblox, but remember to re-enable them afterward. If you've tried everything else, consider reinstalling the Roblox application entirely. This can fix corrupted files or installation errors. Before doing so, always check the official Roblox server status page. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your end, but with their servers. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They have dedicated teams ready to help you troubleshoot more complex problems and get you back to playing your favorite games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.